Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix javac is not recognized as an internal or external command. Type Java Development Kit in browser search bar. Click Java SE Development Div. Open File Explorer. Right-click this PC, click Properties. My system type is 64-bit operating system. Click Download JDK. Open downloaded file. Click Next to continue. Click Next to continue. Open File Explorer, this PC. C drive, Program Files. Java. Open latest Java version. Open bin folder. Copy file path. Type Advanced System Settings. Click View Advanced System Settings. Click Environment Variables. Select Path, click Edit. Click New, paste already copied the directory path. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.